All right. And I think I told you, I tried to put certain things in order so that Ghana Constitution will still maintain the same situation. I don't support rape case. You know it yourself. I personally, Judge Robertson, that is me. And you know, for Christ's sake, I, Judge Robertson, I don't tolerate it. This is just the first case. I'm telling you, the second one will be worse, sir. Of course I do. And you know, I don't lose in cases. Whatever statement come out, I always the best. And people do support me. So wait for me. Wait for my final judgment. I believe you'll clap for me. The first case is just a little, but the second one will be serious and worse than that. Next time, when they are doing certain things, be very careful about it. I hear you. You have no problem. You don't have to worry. I've never lost in a case. I try to put them in order.
What? This is a come could be actually. Can be actually a ban saying. One of them can be actually. Man said, what's a thing? One a castle for 20 years. One I'm going buy no sugar, I'm not going to say, no family, I'm the common. And I'll do you no catcher and say, into my home with your own. I'm catching and saying, I'm not catcher and say, I'll say, oh, really? I'm not oh, catcher and say, with my culture and no, well, you can in your family and your face. Intimidating me from my own, yeah. No, be any fear. I'm not feel how you feel. And I heard it. I know, and I mind. I'm a mean country. Almost Kawanji. I didn't tell when you scan. So I didn't know what Debbie. It was a cow just come. Can only be to be the so a dear dance. And you baby. Or don't catch him good. Or no groom say, so I couldn't die, scar a crow continue. Oh, when you have form upon. Now, name me back. But where I say, in not to proceed, never be a man. There's so much one, come out. Never be a man, now upon a casawati. Mensu, what I may be how you are receiving already was a baby. Said the Okan and Cronin pass it, you could be fair now come. Don't worry. Share. The baby. You know where the man right. So what's the catch on? What it means, Minario. Who come and no come, Namina will come. What it?
Mind, tell my passa, you feel. Would I feel I'm a fellow? Why? Okay.
Good afternoon.
Oh, yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Fine, thank you, sir.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you, sir.
What brought you here?
It's because of the case pending. That is why I'm here. I really need your help.
As in what?
As in anything, because Honorable, as I was here, you know, His Lordship, a prison case in the and Honorable like me to me in Shesemeko prison. So I am here to plead on your behalf. Say, show your mercy on me, please. Meaning, say you understand what I'm saying.
You don't deal with messes here because you knew the right thing and you didn't do it. What are you talking about?
I'm sorry.
And in a number of circumstances, you people know the right thing, but you don't do it. You end up giving us more rather problems. So deep opposition, you asked me to help you. Oh my God, I'm not going to do it. I asked you to sit down, for Christ's sake.
Sorry, sir.
But who directed you to my place?
You know, sir, Slasham. A Krumoyatino, the Bia should be shim. I had there as some no cotton, the Benyani Pabakum in the Biomunumufia. Almost your other colleagues have met me, I'll link me up to you.
I believe Anas is not on you, right?
Sorry, sir.
I hope Anas is not part of people who came around with you.
No. You see, send an issue na kweno. And yame puapa yose mayesa. Enye him the break utame. As honorable, may them go prison. Honorable fata prison. People on my shoulders, I'm sure. And if you're sending a Braboni city, meaning some no mean, we know what, please, I beg you, monsieur.
Get up! Don't touch me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
She are calling the situation now. She are calling. And it's a pen of being your friend.
Please, be quiet here.
No, don't go there, please. Don't go there, Honorable. Honorable, don't go there. Don't go there. And yes, I issue and come back here. And yes, I come back to do many. Please, you are doing your job. I'm also doing my job. So let me do what I'm supposed to do.
I know, sir, you're doing your job, but on the job be one more. I bet me I'll do be with fiancé. A fiancé na so dear. And you're the papa. Honorable moi. Na me call there fiancé. A beboa.
Taste Ben and open. A man a book room. 224 Megu. Office Mebu. To me, Berna, I was all the fashion one, sir. I could feel your collar with family for plastic. Test Ben and I. Taste Ben and I, Honorable. So I'm not quite by me feel some discipline and send out my buff, Mamma Buffon. Sit down again.
Thank you, sir.
Now, do the talking, I'll do the hearing. What do you want me to do for you?
Sir, please.
Oh, then let me leave when you're ready. Call me.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Sorry, sir.
Now do the talking, I'll do the hearing. What do you want me to do for you?
Sir, please. My problem, Yana, say. If a case in a dead in arrival. Before say in pursue case in you know, now there is no substance in the case. Instead of a prison, some no sign you money between me film. I am ready to do anything just to make this case die.
You want the case to be a dead case?
Yes, sir.
Go to cemetery, you meet them there. You're very stupid.
Sorry.
You're very stupid.
Sorry, sir.
Then do the case yourself. When I was cool, where were you? People voted for you. So what do you know about education? What do you know about what the world is talking about?
Sorry, sir.
Mind your speech.
Thank you, sir.
Do the talking and I'll do the answering.
Please,
Talk
send him a kind. Sir, I am ready to do anything.
As in what?
Any money or anything that I supposed to do, said by to me, I gain the freedom not to enter into prison. No, that is why I'm here.
Yeah, mama, because my boo, take care, I'm not driver. You don't look at, you don't drive. Into what the car and the driver, I'm to now. Nina, where who be manan so any Sakalawi. I still don't get myself for. It says Cassian episode because you need to know very well, say, and you're back for. And you're back for. The most important thing I was here, you say. Medical pass a fair judgment area. I can find out one.
Yeah.
And of course, it's a final one. You lose your job.
And there you true.
Lose your job, I better affect your family. I better affect your one as every home.
Yeah.
So do what you're supposed to do because already Nankasana cases, baby, do know me say a year court, you know. Doctor and as a hospital, I was say investigations are what ye. So be a colony test me who's some you know person. We repair now. It's on course.
Yeah.
So if I'm to break up, I'll neither tell the doctor to give himself a break considering that issue there. We need to pay the doctor very much. Then
Mini problem. Mini problem.
What money do you have in mind?
Okay, my imagine say, my doctor no 100,000 Ghana. Now I'm out 200,000. Sorry.
Go and do shopping.
Sorry. Okay, fine. Mayor doctor no, 200,000. Now my yawa 500,000. Okay, fine. Doctor 500. 10,000.
Are you okay?
I'm okay. 10,000. 10,000. No. I just want things to be done at the right. Fine. Mayor doctor no 5,000. 50,000 Ghana cedis. Now my yawa 100,000. 10,000 Ghana cedis.
I can only accept it if you give me 1 Land Cruiser.
Aside 10,000 no plus Land Cruiser.
No,
Sorry, sir. I salute. Don't worry, Land Cruiser no. Your loan at all Land Cruiser, so maybe the number no. I will place it on your behalf.
I hope so.
No, I can never do that.
I believe you know it's a deal.
Yeah, I know it's a deal.
If you fuck up, I'm gonna fuck up with you.
No.
Trust me, read my lips and listen to the words I'm telling you. If you fuck up, I'm gonna fuck up with you.
No, I won't do that.
It's so simple. If I have to bring the whole statement again. And if you fuck up, I'll fuck up with you.
I know so the Lord can catch me anytime.
It's a deal.
Thank you, sir.
It's a deal.
Thank you, sir.
It's a deal. 3 good times.
You hear from me tonight. I'll make all the money available tonight so that we can, before the date of the court. Please, I hear you. I understand. I know what I want. Thank you, sir.
Where is the security man? Security! Security!
What's up?
Come open again.
What's up? The name was shit tank and I'm cry. Come. Who's up?
Have you taken a bath today?
Me?
Yes.
I'm not sure. Now I'm going to bath. Master.
You smell.
Master, sorry. Master. Jesus. Ready. Believe me. Ready. Some of the father. Let me prepare your bread up and down. Any music say. Hey. So, what did this is? Don't come and cry. I'll do you. Let me go on up. 7 o'clock. Go down. What check you? Then your report to the court on medical report. So what's the medical one? There's a minute you. Say no question. I'm a medical report. I don't know. Yes, so. What is it? So, more hospital is okay. So, Jimmy Padia. Joe. Yes, someone. Oh. Oh. What person got on? Please, you will be doors. Kuro de otim kwa na paso bi pa e pa kota sem kura kwa chichiru. Hey. Brani. Kwantwa.
That surprise no why I didn't for in fact the why am me mani aso. Enye ni panyina na be ye the why no. What you think can you ma me de ma wo nyina ka still obeka mama kuje.
Enyima be na me de ama wo. Enyima be na me de ama wo.
No, as that na me down. Why are they?
You need to be smart.
Thank you, sir. Sorry. Me that's it. All the same, Nyamisha, for the good things you have done for me. God bless you a lot.
Even across the corner and Koyaboni.
But
Mo in that sab wow.
Is it the mad mother was to try to run for you? A coye pint in a mamma can't be.
I said, yes, I may pass through and I may pass some bow. But the Fatano saw the man.
Sanity. Mediatum precope.
Good.
You do almost any chin. Me that's it.
No more about trouble. He said, we'll be table. I said, the because of
Me that's it. All right.
Okay.
Aduma. Hanya ni yezi no waje mo. Mo boy forward. Mo boy forward. For mo boy kwa nache. Ya safa ni 30,000. Hey, mimi asema yo. Ya safa ni 30,000. And then anything. You should be able to take book more. I say, okay. Mate. You could be more than my brother. Eventually, be a Monacasa. No cancer. Hey, yeah. Mate. Hi. Yes. If you have a what? Say no papa say the wukano the sanity. Nyamina wahye ne wani nya. Wate? Jesu. Bibi no wedi never wate. Na me ofa ne po na won to ntem. So e de ne dakoda be wate. Jesu kafra. Alright.
That they friends of friend. As I say, can you also see it? What shall lady so years? No one may near part. I mean, sure. Now, your friend is saying, Mammy, Scano, what's it 30,000 or more? Your friend is saying, Medic, okay, not, but I know not, Medic, I am money, crying your mom or labor, but in your mom's name. The 20,000 pen I am a divide. Scala de Lanka, and one you, the shadow in this case, yes, but as yes, I'm a fan, and I'm scanning an apple sheep. Yes, when you burn one another, say, Kaka, kind. But now we have the mamma that could be so. That's now we have the watching. That's something. Oh,
Mama, you say Miss Smith went house. I didn't take him pity. Mama, Miss Smith, I'm piming.
I read the old Kayana what it into Musaka and you so. Penzias,
you got 5,000.
5,000. Aye. Oh, man. Let me enjoy a second because higher wage, not my papa Bayana, we are also under 5,000 baby. But I might not cry how. Now, I'm a lady, I send him baby sound. Come on, playing natural. Let me send me your mom. Miss Amedopa. Medova back up there. If I say lady, I send me a meeting and you know, and Papa Pan with you. Lady, have a question. Mom, cool. Lady, winning. Me your man. Me person me do it cheap. Me could be no man says it. Then no could be a woman be a catcher me your man. I think I may do it cheap. Yeah. What can I say there? Sasa we say no kepana. Daddy me so do a family reads Friday. But I mission. Me do want send me sir.
The giddy pass say ya. Live ya Colabia. Sibisimu. What me? Any true. Everybody is asking me, "Baby, so sir, two physical papa." No, here, dear. Then I want you know.
See, I'm going to be my end so high. Say, look at Pana. Oh, yes, sir. Ma, and ten so enough. I can't want the fantasy.
good to see you.
I've been short of words. Where have you been?
Traveling, doing courses, doing so many things based on the nature of the job I do, of course, you know.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not a stationed person.
You know, I lost your contact for the first day I gave it, and then you sent the money and then giving me the child's name. After then, I went to a market and then my phone was stolen. So afterwards,
sorry.
I tried getting in touch with you, but
Well, then you made a mistake because you have got. Whenever you get to any court at all, you asked of Judge Robertson. Nobody will tell you they don't have my number, of course, unless maybe they don't want to give it out.
you know, I left the country actually.
Okay,
Yes.
that's why you're looking splendid and
Oh,
good.
come on. So I just came. That was last week.
Great.
Yeah, you know, our daughter had an issue. So my mom called me. So I have to come down so that we settle things up. Yeah, sir.
So are you done with it? Or you're yet?
Yeah, true. It long
You
time.
should have called me. And then if it's about money, I mean, for Christ's sake, I'm capable of paying anything that my daughter goes. That is when it goes wrong.
I know it was about money, but then I already told you that I lost your contact for about 15 years now. But you two, you could have tried.
How am I going to
Look
get
for
in
me.
touch with you? You know I'm always busy
So
based on the
don't
nature of the
blame
job
me.
I'm doing.
So busy. So don't blame me.
I see. I'm so sorry, by the way, so sorry.
It's okay.
As you can see, I'm with my bodyguard. We are off to meet somebody, and then I saw you, but all the same, I have my number, and then the little chance you get, you just call me, and I'll direct you to where I live. Of course, my residence.
Can I have your card, or I should just?
How can I give you a card? It's a matter of me giving you my number. You don't need a card.
Okay.
You have the protocol, so you don't need a card.
All right.
02 64 27 85 3.
It's more than 10.
Oh no, 0264
0264
27
27
81
81
3.
3. Okay.
That is Judge Robertson's number.
Mm,
I'm proud of my degree.
all right, Judge. Well noted. I'll give you a
Great.
call this evening.
I hear. And please do take care of yourself.
Oh, come on.
You are still
All right.
needed. All right,
I'm
great.
gonna call you.
Okay.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
All right, have a blessed day as well. And don't forget, your body is still needed.
By who?
No name.
Stop that.
I'm still naughty. Let her come.
Thank you.
Hi.
Robert. Good afternoon.
A blessed afternoon. Looking good.
Thank you.
Can you please excuse us, security man? And get her some chair to sit.
Yes, you have receipt.
Thank you.
Should we offer you some drink or water?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Then you can excuse us. Looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Splendid.
Thank you.
Be careful, water.
No, I'm okay.
Drink.
I'm okay.
Or prefer some cookies.
I'm fine.
I'm sorry, just that I've missed you and then trying to remember old days. That is why those issues are still coming out, because that's what you used to love all the time whenever you would meet. Long time no see, looking gorgeous.
Thank you. You're looking great too.
Okay. Surprise visit.
Yes, I tried my best. I was able to locate the place. Yeah. I just, when I saw you were kind of directing me to your place, and today too, I decided to come and say hi to you.
And then, if I stand to be corrected, drawing our mind towards back way what really transpired between us some time ago, the enjoyment we were making, the tita and the love. Oh my God, I don't want to go further anymore.
It's now memories.
Oh, of course, they are memories. You're right.
Yeah, everything is fine, but this has not been easy. But just that I'm not a lazy type in that.
Of course, I know.
So the money that you gave me, I used some to do some small
But
business.
how
So.
is my baby girl doing?
Oh, she's fine. She's now a big girl. She's not a girl now, a big woman.
Oh my God.
Oh yes.
Pearl Robertson. She's now a big girl.
Sure she is. She's even taller than me, if I'm not exaggerating.
You don't mean it?
Yeah, of course.
I need to honey one day. Just like you need to give her the opportunity for her to come and visit me.
No, this one. She's your daughter. So anytime you're ready, she's with her grandmother. Because of the type of business that I've been doing, it's hardly for me to stay with her or something like that. Sure.
Do you know what come around?
Yeah, they do come around during market days.
What of you?
Well,
I want us to schedule a day, preferable from next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's gonna be my off day. I will have a case on Friday. So if you don't mind, at any given time, just pass by. I'll be in the house. Normally, I don't sit outside. I'm always indoors. That's preferable. Be in the grass as well.
all right. So Monday I'll come with her and her grandmom.
That'll be great.
Sure.
That'll be great.
At least I have to let her see.
And I'll be preferable. She'll be proud of herself that the dad is in church. Come on, let's get inside, get some drink.
Hey, you.
Come on,
No.
it's like I'm trying to remember our orders.
No. Just pause it. Then go there. Not see.
I'm not trying to.
Mama Kwaba, I'm giving you welcome. My boy said I should serve you water.
Thank you.
Hello. Then I'm going, okay? I hope you are free.
Fata kwa niwe di kapao.
Robert. Why? Are you not happy?
I am, but you're welcome.
Thank you.
I don't think this is my daughter.
She's the one, of course.
Pearl. 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 My daughter. My only daughter. My daughter.
Lady. I don't have your seen like that. So why are you crying? Tears of joy.
Allow her to cry. You're in a small world.
I'm lost.
It's alright.
Okay.
It's alright. Allow her to cry. We're in a small world.
Mommy. Mommy, Pacha. Lady never pay me.
Lady, stop it. Adma, allow her to cry. We are in a small world.
Since I'm lost here, what is it?
Judge, so you are my in-law.
Yeah.
Mommy.
At least you should have helped us in court.
Your face looks familiar. That is why I'm a bit confused. I don't really get it well. But I believe she was the one who was being raped. Some rape case. I do remember I handled some rape case.
Yes, please.
Oh, wow. So you mean my daughter was being raped?
Yes, Judge.
Robert. Mom, Pacha, on a dear assembly. Here. Robert.
Small world.
I don't want me and you be and found. He couldn't even help them.
No, don't get it. You're getting it all wrong. I didn't know she was my daughter.
No, even if you don't know she's your daughter, you have to do the right thing.
The medical doctor confirmed the case, confirmed that she was not being raped. That made me to judge it from that perspective.
Everything was manipulated.
That's in what?
Because my daughter was raped.
How? For Christ's sake, you need to understand that I'm not a medical doctor. Based on the medical report that came, that was what I based on it to judge it on.
Robert.
Trust me, flesh problem like that.
Wow. It's well. Since we are all alive, God is in control.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
God will definitely fight for us.